Hello student, I am going to start electromagnetic effect. CO is called carbonyl functional group. Electronegativity of carbon is 2.55 and electronegativity of oxygen is 3.44 and carbon oxygen bonded with multiple bond means double bond 1 sigma second pi. Sigma bond stronger compared to pi bond or pi bond weaker compared to sigma bond. In the presence of nucleophile reagent, pi electrons cloud or pi electrons completely transfer from less electronegative to more electronegative means carbon to oxygen. When electron pair transfer from carbon to oxygen, then oxygen carry 3 lone pair of electrons and negative charge and carbon carry here positive charge. Displacement of pi electrons pair or pi electrons cloud less electronegative to more electronegative in the presence of attacking reagent is called electromagnetic effect. If nucleophile is removed, आप उस न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैकिंग रिएजेंट को निकाल लेंगे, then this is come in again in original form. Again, in the presence of the nucleophile attacking reagent, sigma electron stronger sigma bond compared to pi bond. Then, in the presence of nucleophile attacking reagent, pi electrons cloud shifting from less electronegative to more electronegative. If nucleophile attacking reagent remove from this, then this species again come in a original form and making again pi bond. This means this is a temporary effect. This is called temporary effect. Electron pair shifting from less electronegative to more electronegative in the presence of nucleophile. When electron pair shifting from less electronegative carbon to more electronegative oxygen, then carbon is carry positive charge, oxygen carries a negative charge, and this is nucleophile reagent. Nucleophile carries a generally negative charge and always one electrons pair. This nucleophile carries the electrons pair and negative charge, definitely moving toward side where is species carries a positive charge. Then nucleophile carries the electron pair, it donates the one electrons of electropositive or positive carbon. When nucleophile donate the one electrons, then negative charge is neutralized and carbon accept this electron, then positive charge of this carbon is also neutralized. And what is making new sigma bond between carbon and nucleophile? This type electromagnetic effect is called negative electromagnetic effect. What is the means of negative electromagnetic effect? In the presence of the attacking reagent nucleophile, pi electrons cloud shifting from less electronegative to more electronegative and attacking reagent attack and attached which is carry positive charge. It means the electron pair shifting. देखिए कार्बन से इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट ऑक्सीजन की ओर हुआ, तो जहां इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट होते हैं उस पर नहीं, जिससे इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर शिफ्ट होते हैं वहां न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैच होता है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैकिंग रिएजेंट अटैच the carbon which carries a positive charge after the displacement of the electron pair from carbon to oxygen. Then this effect is called negative electromeric effect. Second type, positive electromeric effect. C double bond C. In the presence of electrophile hydrogen ions are proton. One sigma bond, second always pi bond. Pi bond weaker compared to sigma bond. Then in the presence of the attacking reagent, pi electrons cloud transfer from one carbon to another carbon in the presence of electrophile hydrogen ions. When electron pair shifting from one carbon to another carbon, electrophile hydrogen attach which carbon carry electrons pair come from the pi bond. उस कार्बन से जाके हाइड्रोजन जुड़ेगा जिसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेयर आया है. देखिए दिस इज अ नेगेटिव एंड दिस कार्बन इज अ पॉजिटिव. pi electrons cloud transfer from first carbon to second carbon. This carbon positive, another is negative. Hydrogen carries a positive charge. It required is electrons. उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. क्यों चाहिए? ताकि उसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाए. ये कार्बन इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट कर देगा. किसको डोनेट करेगा? हाइड्रोजन को. हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लिया, तो कार्बन ने दिया तो नेगेटिव चार्ज, हाइड्रोजन ने लिया तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज उसका न्यूट्रलाइज हो गया. एंड व्हाट इज कैपेबल टू मेकिंग अप न्यू बॉन्ड बिटवीन कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. दिस इज कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट. व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट? इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द अटैकिंग रिएजेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पेयर pi electrons cloud transfer from one atom to another atom and attacking reagent attack and attach where is the available of electrons paired. Then this type effect is called positive electromeric effect. ये कहाँ होता है? ऑलवेज इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द अटैकिंग रिएजेंट. अटैकिंग रिएजेंट को आप वापस कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा? इट कम इन अगेन ओरिजिनल position. Then this effect is called temporary effect. Thank you.